Morning student, now start with chemical properties of alkene. Clear? And the type of reaction is ozonolysis reaction, in which alkene on oxidation with ozone, and the formula of ozone is O3. Ozone O3. Firstly, we take an example of ethene. When ethene reacts with ozone, it gives the formation of ethylene ozonide. Clear? When second step, ethylene ozonide on decomposition in presence of zinc, it gave the formation of aldehyde. Example, the molecular formula of ethene is CS2 double bond CS2 reacts with O3 ozone. Clear? It give ethylene ozonide. How mechanism take place? Clean cleavage between two carbons. First CS2, second CS2, we take homolytic fission, 1, 2, half, half. 3 oxygen, oxygen first, oxygen second, oxygen third. Complete addition of ozone on ethene, and the molecular formula of this compound is ethene, and this one is ethylene ozonide. Clear? When ethylene ozonide on decomposition in presence of zinc decompose. Clean cleavage from here and clean cleavage from here. Zinc combined with this oxygen and release ZNO, and it gave the formation of H2C half bond, oxygen half bond free radical. This half and this half make double bond. Similarly here, plus H2C double bond O. This written as HCHO, this written as HCHO, and we can say this give the formation of twice of HCHO, and this name is methanol, and its common name is formaldehyde. Gives the formation of 2 mole of aldehyde. Clear? When we take an example of alkene, if alkene is symmetrical, then it gives 2 moles of aldehyde, both are similar, same. Second example, we take an example of unsymmetrical alkene. Suppose propene, CH3 CH double bond CS2 reacts with O3, it gave the formation of propylene ozonide. क्लीन क्लीवेज यहां से हुई बेटा, CH3 CH half CH2 half, 1 oxygen 2 3. Clear? This compound is known as propene, and this product is known as propylene ozonide. After decompose in presence of Zn, clean cleavage from here, and it gave the formation of CH3 CH3CH double bond O plus HCHO. One compound name is ethanol and another is known as methanol. Clear? These are the IUPAC. One is ethanol and another is methanol. Example, alkene gives again aldehyde. When we take unsymmetrical alkene, it gives the formation of different types of aldehyde having different number of carbon atom. In one, first 2 carbon, in second 1 carbon. One is known as ethanol and another is known as methanol. Its common name is acetaldehyde and its common name is formaldehyde. Another example for ozonolysis reaction, when we take an example of CH3 CH double bond CH single bond CH3, one hydrogen and here from one hydrogen replaced by another carbon chain. These are the form of spatial arrangement in form of cis and trans, reacts with ozone. Clear? It gave the formation of CH3C CH3 half half carbon half half, one CH3 and another CH3, another CH3, first oxygen, second and third. When it passed through zinc on decompose, clean cleavage take place from here and release ZNO. This compound gives the formation of CH3 C CH3 double bond O and another molecule CH3C CH3 double bond O. Clear? When spatial arrangement of this hydrogen replaced by any alkyl group, then it gave the formation of ozonide, and when ozonide on decomposition in presence of zinc, it gave the formation of ketone group. Clear? Student, we can say that when alkene on ozonolysis, it gave the formation of two types of molecules. First one is aldehyde and second one is ketone. When we take symmetrical alkene, it gave the formation of similar aldehyde, and take unsymmetrical alkene, it gave the formation of different type of aldehyde. Similarly, we take an example of spatial arrangement of alkyl group on alkene, it gave the formation of similar ketone when we take an example of symmetrical form, and when we take an example of unsymmetrical, it gave the formation of different types of ketone, 2 moles of ketone and having different number of carbon atom. This ketone is known as propanone. Also this name is propanone and its common name is acetone. Clear? Student, these are the chemical properties of alkene. In next class we discuss about the preparation of alkyne. Thank you.